Welcome to my mathematics channel. I am Shanique Allen. I hope you'll enjoy my videos. Alright, so we'll be doing matrix multiplication, or you'll hear persons say multiplication of matrix or matrices. Alright, so when you're multiplying matrices, so two matrices can be multiplied only if there are as many columns in the first matrix as there are rows in the second matrix. So for example, if I have a 2 by 4 and a 4 by 5, we have what? 4 columns here in the first matrix, and we have 4 rows in the second matrix. So then we know that we can go ahead and multiply. Okay, so before even working out the question, you can know what your answer is going to look like, meaning the order of it or the size. Remember, if I use order, I'm talking about the same size. So I'll be using them interchangeable. So now, the first matrix here now, you look at the amount of rows. So you know it's going to be a 2. And then you go ahead and look at your column for the second matrix now, which is going to be a 5. So you know your answer must definitely be a 2 by 5. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and try some questions and see what we'll get. Alright, so for this one now, we have if A is equal to 2, 3, negative 5, 4, and B is equal to negative 5, 1, 0, 2. Determine, and they give us some question here. The first one, B, that means A times B. Alright, so now, let's go ahead and work it out. It's going to be A times B. So when we say A times B, same as multiplication, so I'll rewrite my A, which is going to be 2, 3, negative 5, 4. Then I'll write my B. My B here is negative 5, 1, 0, 2. When multiplying now, we have to multiply row by column. So it is row by column. So we're going to look at the first row now to multiply the first column. So it's going to be 2 times over negative 5 here. Then we're going to say what? Plus 3 times 0. Come to this next side now. We're going to use the same row here to multiply the second column. So we have 2 times 1 plus 3 times 2. Close my bracket there. Inside here now, we're going to use the second row. You multiply each of the columns now. So it's going to be negative 5 times negative 5 plus 4 times our 0. Then we're going to go ahead and say negative 5 times 1 plus 4 times 2. Now, this is what we have to do. I write my open bracket again. 2 times negative 5 going to give us negative 10 plus 3 times 0 is going to be 0. Here now we have what? 2 times 1, which is going to give us 2 plus 3 times 2, 6. Negative 5 times negative 5, which is going to give us positive 25 plus 4 times 0, 0. Then we have negative 5 times 1, which is going to give us negative 5, plus 4 times 2, which is going to give us 8. Close my bracket. You always have to write your bracket. No, go ahead and finish it. -10 plus 0, -10. 2 plus 6, 8. 25 plus 0, which is going to give you 25. -5 now, plus 8, which is going to give you a +3. Okay, alright, take a minute and try BA on your own now. Okay, I think we should be back now, so we'll be trying BA. So now, BA, we have to write our B first, and our B is -5, 0, 1, 2. Alright, now we have to write our A. Our A is going to be 2, 3, -5, 4. Alright, open bracket now. Remember, we go row by column. So it's -5 times 2 plus 1 times -5. Now we're going to the other side. We are going to say -5 times 3 plus 1 times our 4. Close my bracket. Now I'm going to say 0 times my 2 plus 2 times my -5. Then I'm going to say 0 times my 3 plus 2 times my 4. No, next line. So it's going to be -5 times 2, which is going to give you -10, plus 1 times -5. You're going to have -5 here. Then you're going to have -5 times 3, which is going to give you -15, plus 1 times 4 is going to be 4. Close the bracket. Here now 0 times 2 is going to give you 0, plus 2 times -5, which is going to give you a -10. Then you're going to have 0 times 3, which is going to give you 0, plus 2 times 4, which is going to give you 8. Now, we look at it now and we add or subtract. Here now, we have 2 different signs, so we know we'll subtract. So it's going to be -10 minus 5, which is going to give us -15. Now we have -15 plus 4, which is going to give us -11. Now, 2 different signs, we subtract. 0 minus 10, which is going to give us -10. Now 0 plus 8 is going to give us 8. Okay, all right, there's another one. We have a square. So now, person might be saying, oh, we just square each element in the bracket. No, we have to make sure we write a times a. So a square is actually a times a. So now we have to say 2, 3, -5, 4 times 2, 3, -5, 4. No, it's going to be 2 times 2 plus 3 times -5. Then we're going to go ahead and do the next side. We're going to say 2 times 3 plus 3 times 4. Next row, so it's going to be negative 5 times 2 plus our 4 times our negative 5. Then we're going to say negative 5 times 3 plus 4 times 4. Now we'll have 2 times 2 is 4 plus 3 times negative 5, which is going to give you a negative 15. 2 times 3, which is going to give you 6, plus 3 times 4, which is 12. Then we go again. Negative 5 times 2, which is going to be negative 10. Then we have what? Plus 4 times negative 5, which is going to give you a negative 20. Here now we have 5 times 3. Negative 5 times 3 is going to give you negative 15. Plus 4 times 4, which is 16. Now we're going to say what? We're going to add. We look here now, we have 2 different signs, so we have to go ahead and subtract. So it's going to be 4 minus 15, which is going to give us negative 11. Next part now, we have 6 plus 12, which is going to give us 18. We have 2 different signs, so we go ahead and subtract. So it's going to be negative 10 minus 20, which is going to give us negative 30. Then we have negative 15 plus 16, which is going to give us 1. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell for a notification when I update videos. And also make sure you like, share, and comment.